Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Emoji Ezrah, the king of emojis. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be adding too much ingredients to slime. So I got 3 pieces of the same slime. It's some cereal milk slime. It's like super glossy and clicky, and I'm sure if you guys can hear it, but it's super glossy and clicky. So let's get right into the video. So first, wait, let's see, adding to much of this slime just in case you guys can hear it. Alright, that's it. So first we'll be adding too much glitter. So I have right here, I have some, these are labels, some champagne glitter and some green glitter. So let's start. So I'm gonna do a mix of both because why not? So we got some of this. By the way, if you hear the people talking, that they're like working or whatever, they're doing something to their house, they're like getting on their roof. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm outside, by the way. So yeah. So we have this loin. This is like a nice amount of glitter. I'll probably say about a normal amount of glitter. But this is just green glitter. Now I'm gonna add some more glitter. Champagne glitter. I don't know why it's called champagne. Probably because it reminded them of champagne, so we're like, oh, what's the name of champagne? So that's why. Ooh, no. Ooh. Okay, it's spilled. I don't think it got on the other slime. Oh my gosh, it didn't. So we have a little slime. It actually has a pretty weird, interesting texture to it. These are clicky. Yes, it is. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but it's like really clicky. I'm not sure if you can see the glitter is stuck good. Here you go. There you go. Oh, that's a. So we have that. Ooh, it's starting to feel a bit more like stiff. Oh. So that it just rips. Okay. More glitter. Let's see. This is a disaster. I'm actually kind of curious what's gonna happen. What if it melts, or if it just turns into a hard rock of stone? So I added some more green glitter, and since it's hard slime, it was not doing anything. So now I'm gonna add a lot of glitter. Ooh. Okay. That's a lot. Hopefully it doesn't have it oh, it is. That kind of looks like a churro. Although there's green glitter in it, that's the only bad thing about it. But it kind of reminds me of a churro. So it really has not that much of a difference. So we're adding more. Sorry for that loud hammering sounds. Okay, now you're gonna add. Oh, by the way, this is what it looks like. So what? I'm so surprised. I feel like I'm gonna add my whole bottle of glitter by the end of this slime. I'm sorry if this video is so long, but I'm trying to do my best to make it super quick. Oh, no, it's overdosing. No, it's not. That's the wrong. Oh my gosh! I should have not done this on the ground. I'm so bad, guys. I'm so sorry. I feel like, okay, that is a sign. We're getting somewhere. Oh no, it's time to, trying to clean up the glitter mess I made. So dirty. Okay. Oh. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so you could kind of. Ooh. Okay. It's guys. It's getting to a point where it's starting to not hold much glitter, but we're gonna add more. I do not know why I'm doing this, to be honest. Oh, by the way, since I'm mixing right now, I'm just gonna say what I'm gonna be adding too much of. I'm gonna be since I'm mixing, so I'm gonna be adding too much activator glitter, which is right now. Activator glitter and what was it? It was activator glitter and yeah, that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Too much activator and glitter. Sorry for wait, but why do I have 3 slimes then? Too much activator and and food coloring. I'm sorry for that. It's so long. I'm gonna cut this out. Okay, anyways. Activator and glitter. So we have it's starting to it's ripping really bad, guys. It lost some of its clicks. It has some bubble pops. Not enough. I'm just gonna mix more glitter. More mix more glitter. It's starting to open up. Oh, okay. The champagne glitter is not treating me well. Whenever I add it, it just falls everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's so much fallout and it's so stiff. This is as much as it's add, so this is the end result. Pretty ugly. Actually, it's okay when it comes to looks. It's just texture-wise, probably like a 1 because it's just not good. So let me put the cap on this glitter, and we are gonna add too much activator. So we have our oh my gosh, now it's sticking. Okay. We have too much. We have glue. Oh, not glue. Slime. We have slime right here. Oh my gosh, the video's so long. I need to hurry up. So we have this. We add some activator to it. So if my activator is like green or whatever, it's probably not change the color of the slime. But like one day I came back and it was like green. Probably because I added this to the slime, or added the slime to it, and the slime kind of discolored into the activator. So this is normal, pretty overactivated slime. It's really like the other one, just not red, the glitter one. We're gonna add more though. How much? Like that much? Oh, okay. So where is it? It's okay. Oh, by the way, rest in peace. Guys, comment down below what you want to do next for my baking videos series. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. I'm on my goal to 100 subscribers. So, yeah, make sure to subscribe. I just realized you spent so much time on the glitter one. Maybe I should just add the slime to the activator. Oh, it does not want to mix. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's not. Oh. So I have these 2 pieces and they just don't want to. Oh, did it come together? It came together, but they did not want to go together. Oh no. This is enough activator. Yeah, this is way. I can't stretch it at all. By the way, now I have like 20 pieces of slime. So I have, look at all this. They just do not, it's so much pieces of it. I'm not sure if you could tell. But there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of it. It starts ripping out. It won't come together. So that's what happens when I add too much activator. Last but not least, too much food coloring. Why did I commit to making this video? I don't know. I just do so much things that are unpredictable. I need to hurry up because my guest is here. I'm gonna be adding too much yellow. I hate the color yellow though. Comment down what's your favorite color, guys. Mine personally is purple. You know that about me, I'm pretty sure. If you watch my videos, you know that my favorite color is purple. So we're gonna be adding some yellow. Oh no. Oh, I hate when this happens. Oh, now I have to get all my fingers. So messy. Okay, so this is it all mixed. It's like an ugly cheese yellow. Well, just know that if you like it, I'm sorry, but that's my opinion. It's got less stretching. Let's add even more. I should wear gloves for this, I just realized. Because it's gonna like start spilling and going on my fingers. And if you don't know what it feels like when you add too much food coloring, it starts to what did I just say? It starts to get all over your fingers, and like you have to wash your hands, but not all of it gets off, and then you have to wash your hands again, wait for a day, and then it finally gets off. So it's such a hard process getting it off. So I mean, I don't even know if you could add too much. I'm not even sure if you could add too much of this food coloring. Ooh. Okay, it's not even mixing. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, it's starting to melt, guys, on me. So I think I'm gonna end this video here because it's so sticky and it's just melted. So I'm gonna go. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.